So, bit of wet lead job. We had these at the farm sale basically, and these posts of hanging 8 gates were cut off at the floors quite roughly then. And we had these pipes as well that join up cubicles from the same place. They're small enough to fit inside these, and these were cut off rough. So we're going to cut one of these up and into 3 pieces. We've got 3 of these, and extend these a little bit so we can actually knock these down into the ground with a post knocker for our sheep handling. And I've cut the bottoms of these square because they're quite jagged and rough, and I've taken the tech screws and builder's band on them, probably get more grip when we concrete it in. So I've taken those off, cut them tidy, cut the one pole for the holding the cubicles into 3 bits, well 4 bits really. A shame to not take advantage of this. So this will be this will be handy for holding, you know, aerosol spray of sheep markers or something. I'll put it on the, you know, weigh scale or something. And I basically cut this off so the number was nicer for dividing into 3 then. Easier maths then. I've finished with these. The pipes inside are a bit smaller, so I ran, say, ground right round the top of it, 2 inches, say. I ground right round it. Ran 4 beads down it, so it was tight when you pushed it in and it centered itself. And weld right round it. Well, check it straight, tack it, weld right round it. So I've done that over 3 of them. We're gonna redo our sheep handling system basically. So we're gonna replace all the wooden posts with galvanized steel, so it'll be fit and forget then. So there's 2 hanging ones there, and there's one for the latch of a gate. So we need to take a grinder, cut the hurdle eyes off the latch one, don't need them, and cut 1 set of hinges off each of these, because we're going to only hang 1 gate off it and can use these again on something else. So yeah, that's the plan really. Need to cut them off now, but I'll leave it for now. It's getting a bit cold now, so I've just sprayed some Galvafry over these. I'm not sure if it'll actually stay on. We hit it in, but yeah, help it stop the rusting there anyway. So I have this crush bought cheap. Has the foot trimming bits on it, but the winch at top, the wheel is broken off as you see, and came with 3 more grip on that. So I've got the wheel, it came with it. So and you straighten the spoke. You straighten the spoke there down a bit. Grind the galv off and weld, and weld it back on. So I've welded the wheel on the side. Only thing, the front one is supposed to be a flat bar, or a piece of pipe there and a flat bar there to hook into these and a spring then. But that's missing from one of these, so I'll have to make one of those again then. That's what the jack is for. When you jack the cow's leg up, and you can put them in the wooden blocks, there's 4 of these, and you know, to treat the foot then. So this is a bit more specialist then. It was about the same money as ordinary ones, so bought this one. Needs a couple of other bits doing to it before I can actually use it, but before I do that now, this is the only job I needed the actual crush itself to be near a welder, so I've done it now. And